It's getting famously hot in Colombia, but don't worry, Comfort Services will help you get your cool on. Excessive heat causes a lot of stress on your current system. If you have a breakdown, don't panic. Call the professionals at Comfort Services. Our NATE certified technicians are ready to help at a moment's notice and has been doing so since 1976. There isn't anything our team can't handle. You can count on our prompt and professional service day or night. Keep your air conditioning running smoothly this summer with Comfort Services. For more, go to comfortservices.com.